welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm dressed in onesie because the weather in Melbourne at the moment is quite cold and chilly. Today is raining like most of the day, and I thought it would be a good idea to do a snack review videos for you guys, because you know, in this weather, what's the best way to enjoy life than lay back and munching on some snacks and watch Netflix and chill. And so, without further ado, let's see what I have today for you guys. So I've got these goodies from an Asian supermarket in a city called TANG, T-A-N-G. They have a variety of different snacks from different countries. So just to give you some context, I love spicy food. I can eat pretty spicy, can handle my heat pretty well, I have to say. I love everything spicy, from spicy drinks to spicy food and snacks. And today, as you can see, all these snacks are all spicy snacks. Now look at the deadly jalapeno chili. And these are what I'm gonna be reviewing today. There will be a scale here from 1 to 10, and I will try to review the taste as well as the spiciness level. So let's go down my list here. What do we have first? We have number 1, Lay's Spicy Crayfish Chips. First thing, it smells amazing. Ooh. What it says: potato, vegetable oil, spicy flavor. Okay, let's see. It tastes really nice. It smells a little bit like, you know, the chili and pepper crayfish. In terms of spiciness level, it's 0 because it's not really spicy, but it tastes really nice. I like it a lot. I would definitely devour this after finish filming this video. For the taste, I would say 8, which is quite high on my scale. Okay. This one is $2.50. Next one. Oh, before that, I should just rinse my palette to make sure that I can taste the next one. And just not mixing the flavor. Okay. Look. Please focus. This one is watermelon cider. How much is it? It's $3.20. $3.20, not bad. Definitely tastes watermelon. So refreshing. Okay. I think I'm ready. Ready. The next one. Let's just stick to Lay's. Another Lay's product, another Lay's snack. Let's see. Numb and spicy hot pot. Guys, hot pot. Hot pot in winter is heaven. Hot pot in winter, especially spicy hot pot in winter, is heaven. Or Korean barbecue and kimchi stew in winter is heaven. I can't stress enough like how much love I have for hot pot. Let's open this up. I have high hope for this one because I love hot pot. It smells interesting. It smells quite sweet. I don't know how can it be spicy. Ooh, let's sure. Okay, let's start with this. Let's start with this. Really? Wow. So, you know what? This definitely tastes spicy. So I would rate it. Well, this is my scale because I eat very spicy, you know. So, I would rate this 3, and the flavors would be 9.5. It's really close to hot pot, you guys. It's really good. It's quite, oh, I'm very surprised. Like, how can it smell really nice and sweet, but then it have the tingling taste on the tip of my tongue? It's just kind of numbing. It's very nice. You should try it, please. Go get this. Go get this. It's made me want to go to Dragon Hot Pot right now, right at instance. And if you don't know, Dragon Hot Pot is a very popular hot pot place in Melbourne. I believe they also have franchises in other states. I'm not sure about other countries, but I haven't done any research on them. Dragon Hot Pot, I loved it. It just tastes very similar. Well done, Lace. Well done. I'm proud of you. It's also $2.50. I can do this all day. Can I just do food review video all days, all night long? Okay. Next one. What should we? Let's save this deadly one for last. Maybe I'll do this. How do you pronounce it? Calbee hot and spicy corn stick. The packaging feels really nice. I like kind of like matte packaging compared to the flossy one. But yeah, what matters more is the contents. Right? Some of this. I like the texture. Nice but not wow. So compared to the hot pot one and the crayfish one, this one in terms of spiciness is about, I would say, the same as the spicy and numb hot pot flavor Lay's. It's spicy, but it's not burning. Well, is it a way to describe it? Yeah. For flavors, this would be around, it's hard to rate. I'll give it a 6 because, you know, it's something that is nice, but do I want to have it again? Do I have to have it again? Maybe not. It's nice, but like, you know, average, nice, good. It's not wow. There's no wow factor here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, corn stick. Don't be mad. Don't take it personal, please. How much is this one? $1.90. It's cheap. Okay. This would be a nice snack to have when you go on road trips, but not something you have when you're sad and want something really nice and like, you know, like wake you up or make you feel good. I'm sorry, but I'm sorry. Okay, let's move on. Well, I still have 4 left. Okay, let's move on to the next one, which is called the Pea Crackers. Oops, let me clean this up first. So you would probably wonder what would I do with all these leftover snacks. I will turn on my Netflix tonight and eat them all. It's not that much, you guys. Well, it's not that much. I can finish it in a day. Ooh. Pea Crackers, please don't disappoint me. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay. This one. This is not spicy. Oh wait, is it? Wait, is it? Kind of. I take it back. I'm sorry. It looks deadly, but it's not. It's not crazy spicy. It's spicy though. This would be level 4 in spiciness, and the flavor. I'll give it a 5 because I don't think the flavor is really my taste. But it's not the type of spicy that when you eat you can taste it straight away. It kicks in slowly. That's why at the beginning I was like, this is not spicy, and then as soon as I finish saying that, it's slowly kicking in. $1.80. Quite cheap. Okay, bye-bye. Got there. Okay, let's try something slightly different. Oh, I like the packaging of this one. It looks cute. This is called Hot and Spicy Chicken Almond. You see how cute it is? Look at the little chicken. Is it a chicken? Yeah, some kind of chicken. They're having a fight. Wow. Oops. It smells so spicy. Oh, make me want to sneeze. It's the powder. Wow. 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 Yes, it's you. I have been looking for you. It is spicy. You can tell straight away that it is spicy by smelling it at first and then tasting it. There is some kind of chili powder right here. I think this could be the winner of today in terms of spiciness. So for spicy, I rated 7, and for flavor, I also rated 7 because although it's spicy, it doesn't like have the taste that I want it to have. If I really want something that tastes nice, I would not pick this, but if I just want something that's spicy and satisfy my spicy taste bud, I would totally go for this. It's not often at all that I have to drink something while eating snacks, a spicy snack. You are worth keeping. Okay, I'm gonna eat you tonight. Just stay here. I'll put this on this side so I can demolish it tonight. Oh, guys, I'm so happy. And by the way, the hot and spicy chicken almond is $10.90. It's the most expensive out of all these one that I've got here, but it's definitely worth the price because the quantity is quite big and also it's hot. So yeah, you worth it. You are totally worth it. Next one. Let me finish these first and then I'll get on to the next one. Got these two left. Let's start with this. What is this called? It's still spicy. It's still spicy for the previous one. Okay, this is called High Thai Snacks and Spicy. I don't know what it is, but it looks like tteokbokki. Tteokbokki is my favorite Korean food. Let's see. It smells kind of sweet. This is so addictive. It's so nice. This takes me back to my childhood. There was a snack looks similar like this. Very similar. If you kids born in Asian countries, you would probably know what I'm talking about. Especially if you're from Vietnam, you probably know what I'm talking about. I don't know what's it called. It's just one of the snacks that got sold in a lot of canteen back in Vietnam when I was little. And they, the way I described them is that they're very umami. They are kind of sweet and tasty. It's just one of the snacks that just make you keep eating until you finish everything and you're like, huh, where are they all gone? In your tummy. Yeah. Definitely 10 out of 10 for this one in terms of flavor. And spiciness, I'm sorry, but you are not spicy at all. She's not spicy. She's not spicy. She's, I mean, she's attractive, but she's not spicy. She's a very nice, sweet snack. And this is $4.90. I will come back and buy some more. This is my favorite. Yay, yummy. Doesn't taste like the tteokbokki at all though. Tomato? Is tomato? Maybe a little bit. Maybe that's what makes it sweet. Well, it's nice. It's really great. It's not just nice, it's great. Tried it out. I'll put it on the side because I want to have some more later. Okay guys, on to the last one. You ready? Are you ready? That's him. This is called Tohato Bokun Habanero Spicy. I really hope this is spicy, but if it's not, then I'll be okay as well because I already found Queen of Spiciness, Miss Spicy. Please be spicy. Put a ring on it. Do you want to put a ring on it? Okay, I put it on for you. I think the kids will like this. Doesn't work that way. Okay. Tastes a little bit streamy. Maybe shrimp flavor in here. It looks Japanese, so this is the product of Japan. It's not spicy. This is $3.30. Quite pricey for the amount that we get. It's a small package compared to this one, which is cheaper. It's a little bit disappointing because looking at the packaging, it looks so deadly, but it is not. This would be zero spicy for me, and flavor, I'll give it a 5. Okay guys, so that is it for my spicy snacks review today. If you like it, let me know in the comment section, and if you want to see more of it, also let me know. And don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button somewhere here and subscribe to my channel. I do videos on food, cooking, beauty, DIY, and lifestyle in general. And I hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye.